Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a simple makeup look that you can create on your wedding day. That is if you are going to be creating your own makeup looks or doing your own makeup on your wedding. If you guys like this look, stay tuned and I will show you how you can achieve it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by applying my foundation, and then I will probably do my brows after I'm done with the foundation, highlighting, contouring, all that good stuff. I'm using the Clinique Stay Matte Oil-Free Foundation. This Clinique foundation is my go-to, and this is in the shade Sienna. I filmed this tutorial last week and I realized that everything that could go wrong went wrong. My lashes looked bad. My video quality was just very shaky, so I decided to not post the video because of those reasons. So here we are again, take two. So I'm just applying this foundation all over my face. I honestly will probably ask my makeup artist on the wedding day to use this foundation because it's just so good. I mean, I can go on and on about how good this foundation is. It just gives me that natural look that I always like when I wear makeup anyways, so I hope she's okay if I go with my foundation. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and apply the highlighting concealer. So I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in, I always use this but I forget the style, the shade Fawn. And I'm just applying that underneath my eyes like so, all the way down the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my chin, and then a little bit on my forehead. Now every time I blend in these concealers, the lighter concealers, I like to come closer to the edge of my nose to create some type of definition. My nose, and then bring it all the way up to the forehead like that, and then my chin. What I'm going to do now is, let me think, I am going to set this highlight, or this concealer to be specific and exact. I am going to use the Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of baking because I want this to stay on the whole day. You want it to stay on the whole day. Before I go ahead and contour, I'm going to work on my brows and we will work on contouring. So for the brows, I'm gonna go ahead and brush them out first with a little spoolie brush. I'm using the ABH eyebrow pomade. I just lost my train of thought there. I'm using the ABH eyebrow pomade, and this is in the style Ebony, or shade Ebony. And I like to draw hair strokes like these. Okay, so brows are set in place. Now I'm going to contour. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Match Stick, and this is in the shade Espresso. I keep saying style. Shade Espresso. So I start off by making a little stroke like that, just a small stroke. You do not want to put too much concealer and look like crazy. I'm using a Morphe M439 brush to just blend that. And the reason I'm using this brush is so that I can blend it in circular motions like this, upwards. So the camera died on me while I was blending my forehead, but I just went ahead and just blended everything in. And I was saying that I like to blend everything into the hairs. That way it's not moving closer to the highlight area. So now I'm going to work on the eyes. I don't really remember I feel like I thought I would remember the colors that I used, but my memory is kind of, I don't know. But I'm going to use a Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette, and I'm going to use 4 colors. So I'm going to use Sponsored, Edges, Credit, and Wiggliz. I like to pack on a lot of concealer when I'm doing this kind of stuff. Start off, I'm going to use Edges as the transition color. And I'm just going to blend that evenly within the crease area, or the top of the crease. Okay, so we have the transition color on. Now I'm going to go in with Credit, and that is a really dark brown, and that is going into the outer corner, into the crease. I'm just going to start off at the corner right here. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit more concealer and go into the crease with the crease colors. You guys see how rich this color is? In the inner corner, I'm going to use another smaller flat brush. This is the Morphe 204 brush, and then I'm gonna go in with Sponsored, and then I'm gonna put that outside right here. And then just pull so you can blend the top. And then I'm going to go in with Soleil. This is a very champagne-y looking color, and apply that around the tear duct area, and then kind of going into Sponsored like this. Just like that. And then I'm going to apply liner and lashes. So the first look that I created, I actually smudged the liner, but I feel like I'm just gonna draw an actual liner. And this is the e.l.f. liner that I always use. Bam! And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes. I'm gonna be using the Relax by Envy lashes, and these are in the style Rose or Gold. And I'm also gonna work on this eye, and I will be right back. So I have my eyes ready. I have the lashes on. I put liner and all that good stuff, put mascara on my lower lashes. At the bottom of my lower lashes, I basically put that red shade Wiggliz. I put it in the center, and then I also put Sponsored next to it. Basically what I did at the top of the lids, I did it at the bottom as well. If you guys couldn't tell, I did the same thing. And then I put mascara. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my foundation using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder, and this is in the shade Dark Deepest. Now I'm going to set my contour, and I'm using Patricia Bright's face palette. This is her collaboration palette with Makeup Revolution. I'm going to use this center shade. To highlight, I'm going to use the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter, and this is in this shade Bronze. Do the same thing on the tip of my nose. I am going to set the look with the MAC Prep and Prime setting spray. On my wedding day, I wouldn't wear liquid lipsticks just because I want more of a glossy lip, but for this specific look I'm just gonna wear a liquid lipstick because I'm gonna be out and about running errands. So this is Nibble by Morphe. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop some comments down below, let me know what you thought, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.